really nothing like starting your day with some rum. Who thought you could get this excited about toast? The reason I'm really excited about the Mardi Gras recipe is because of these leggings. Do you remember these guys? These guys from last year? Add a little more butter. That's too much rum, but we're gonna pretend like it's not. Tanner, the good news is that it's Monday. The rum evaporated. Oh my gosh, do you know how bad I want to take a bite of one of these? But then I think I wouldn't have enough for my toast. That would be so sad. They need salt. Oh my gosh, brown sugar. So, looks like I'm gonna refilm this. This was a good test run. Since I'm not taking a picture of these, I guess I'll take a bite. Oh my god, ate too many of them. I want to eat this for breakfast every day. And then you can have a party in your mouth. I feel like that might be questionable. That camera was apparently tired of filming. Thank you.